Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Ubus na nila yung nandito. Hi, Baba. Tapos, eto na. Ano ba to? Hi, guys! Today is July 10, Friday. Hindi ako nag-vlog, pero eto, i-vlog natin tong konti. Ayan sila. Ilalagay yan sa shed, sa farm. And si Jan, bumili ng hay para sa cows.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Baba! Punta sila sa farm, pero hindi ako sasama kasi lilinis ako. Ha? Pardon? Asa si Jess? Okay, see ya! Bye! Insert ko na lang to sa mga upcoming vlogs ko, guys. Ayun sila. Bye! Guys, nakabalik na yung mga boys. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako nag-vlog, pero mag-vlog na lang tayo kasi pagdating nila ay nakaligo na si Sak. Alis daw kami, kasama sila.
Big.
Na, come here. Here. Come here. Come here. Naliligo si Kuya Sak, tapos na, ayan. Alis kami, magdi-dinner kami sa labas, kasama sila. Sophie. No, that one, it's nice. I like it.
But I'm not excited.
No, it's alright. Come here. Come here. Yan yung nabili niya sa Target nung nag-shopping kami. Birthday present.
No. No, you only got me one.
Yeah, but that's the one too.
No, it wasn't. You only got me two things for my birthday.
Oh, it's not that one.
Yeah.
I think that's the one too. Yes, that's the one. And then the other one, the black one. Basta na-vlog ko yun. Wait, Baba. And ayaw niyang maligo. Why you don't wanna have... Yes, son?
About half an hour.
Half an hour?
Oh, now get ready.
Because they're all booked out, but she said if you come at 5:30, you can be gone as long as you're gone.
Ano
by
to?
7. Has she got another longer top?
Nagtutupi ako sa...
Ready, ready, go.
Oh, mag-ready na ako. Nagtutupi ako, guys. And may nilalabhan din
Hurry
ako.
up, I don't want to be late.
I don't wanna be
You
late.
put a t-shirt under that one.
Yes, because it's cold.
Oh, and go brush your hair, do your hair, mate.
Dad, look.
Si Holly, come here.
Can you put another along?
Yeah, I will. Ayaw niya maligo. Why you don't want to have a shower?
Because I don't want to get my makeup on.
Pumunta rin sila after sa farm. Pumunta sila sa bahay nila Sophie. And minake-upan siya. Di ba may si Sophie mag-makeup. Ay, hindi ko ito matatapos tinutupi ko dahil mag-ayos na raw ako. Alright. Okay, hanapan ko na si Holly ng damit. Wala to sa plano. Ang lulutuin ko dapat ay sausages. Kasi nag-grocery ako kailan ba yun? Tuesday. Oh, not Tuesday. Ano pa ngayon? Friday? Wednesday.
Mom, you already had a shower, so that's what you're wearing.
Yeah, I did have a shower. So ngayon, hindi ko na siya lulutuin. Bukas na lang yan. Hindi ko kayo tinama nung nag-grocery ako. Ito, bumili ako ng blueberries ulit kasi gusto nila yan. Yes? Alright. Ang ganda. Alright. Minamadali na. Okay. What's wrong? Minamadali na nila ko. Ayan, nakaano na ako, guys. Nakapag-plancha tayo ng buhok. And magsasampay na sana ako. Kaso sabi ni Jan, pagdating na lang daw namin. Dahil, parating na raw sila. Sophie, okay, Baba. Alright. Asikasuin ko muna tong isa. Come on. Andito na sila, guys. Ayan si Sophie. Ayan yung dalawang boys. Sak, Kuya, you look cool. You look nice, both of you.
You can't even jump and made it in my bed.
Look at Sak. Parang yung sapatos nila, di ba? Sabi ko na yan sa inyo before.
Okay, you have to jump.
Don't drag your white shoes in the dirt, mate.
Nagde-drive na pala kami, guys, papunta sa pub. Nauna sila, Sophie.
Southeastern.
So, unahan lang namin. And where are we going, Zachary?
Southeastern.
Southeastern pub. Napuntahan namin yan dati ay think nasama ko na kayo before. Malit pa sila, hindi. When was the last time, man? Long time.
Yeah, my last time was when I went to Ollie's birthday.
Yeah, but yeah, it's been
My
like
last time
tagal
was
na. Tagal na, taon na. It's been years, right?
1 or 2 years I haven't.
Tagal na kami nakapunta doon.
I haven't been.
Malit pa si Holly ata. Holly was just little back then.
She was like 2.
Are you still there, Baba girl?
Dad,
Papa, worry siya sa makeup niya. Baka
Oh, she's asleep.
matanggal yung makeup niya.
Mum,
Yes,
the last time I've been that pub is last year.
last year.
1 or 2 years. I went to Ollie's birthday.
Yeah. In-invite siya ng friend niya na doon yung birthday party sa pub na yan. So, see you later na lang, guys. Ano kayong ordering ko, no?
What are you gonna get, Baba?
I'm not sure yet, huh? That's what I'm thinking. What I'm gonna get. Mamaya, tingnan natin kung anong kukunin natin. Dito na kami sa... Nakapark na kami. Kaso, ililipat nila yung car kasi yung naparka ni Kylie, mayroong mga basag na bote.
We're leaving.
Alis sila. Ayan, tingnan nyo, glass. Siguro ano to? Corona. Jim Beam. Joe. Jim Beam. Ram. Yeah. Jim Beam. Jim Beam siya, guys. Ayan, Diyan si Jan, dito si Kylie. Hindi nakita ni Kylie to. Saki, stop running! Andun sila, oh. Glass everywhere, huh? What's that, Sa?
Right.
Okay. Nalipat na nila yung car. Okay. Dati raw ang tawag dito, southeastern. Ngayon, the eastern na lang siya, guys. So, nawala na yung south.
I didn't like you. Do you know phone, Baba?
Phone, yes, I do. Check in tayo, guys.
No, the
Sign in.
I'm gonna be in the playground.
Excited na sila kasi may playground dito. Wait.
Why?
Mga naka-reserve tong table dito, guys. O, reserve. Malapit yung camera ko, no? And doon, reserve din doon. So, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo. Dito tayo, guys. Yes, we did. Dito tayo. Sa mahabang table. Oh, nice, han. Kasi andun yung TV. Si Zach, tsaka si Sophie and Holly nandun na sila sa playground. Si Jan, tsaka si Kylie, nag-order na sila. Yung in-order ko pala ay fisherman's catch. Mag-seafood tayo. And si Jan, beef schnitzel with, Aussie topping. Kuya, what are you having?
Chicken fish.
Farming. Maki-chicken sila. Si Zach, how about Zach? Same? Hindi ko alam kaysa kung ano. Si Holly, ano siya? Fish. Fish, oo. Buttered fish kay Holly. Sa kids.
Holly.
This is where that's
Is that Holly here?
Yeah. Ito yung unang sinerve nila. Complimentary to. Itong bread. Masarap to. And meron na tayong lemon lime and bitter. Yung mga bata, what you have, kuya? Lemonade? Lemonade.
Chona.
Joey. Is it hot? Oh, yes. So hot. Ay, sarap.
Yeah, that one was the straw. Careful.
Ion thing. Oh, I don't know. You said it was. Not that.
Nice, isn't it? So warm. Yum. Where's Holly?
In the toilet.
Careful. There's your plate next here on the right, on the left. Nice. That's Holly's. Yep.
Where's that?
Playing.
Just put it in there and try
Yeah.
it melt.
The bread is still
Can I do that one?
hot,
Put it
kuya.
in there and it'll melt.
Yeah.
Well,
I'll just throw it like that, big bit in there.
or you hold it in your hand for a little bit and it'll melt.
Lang, Holly.
Or like that.
Yan.
Didn't even have to ask. I knew.
Yeah.
Toby's had two. That's why. That's the second one.
No, it isn't.
Oh, my first.
Look at that.
Sophie, do not run.
Diba si Sak? Bibit niya yung sapatos niya.
Do not run. Do not run.
What's wrong with your shoes, Sak? You want some bread?
What?
Ako na lang. Gusto ko ni dyan yung aking tinapay. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng... Ang sarap ng tinapay. Zachary. And eto na yung garlic bread.
You want to go and tell Holly and Sophie, please?
Garlic bread. Yeah? Here.
Back into yours.
How's the garlic bread, Huh?
It's no different.
He's not even one.
Ayan na yung kaysa chicken parmy. Kuya, is that yours?
No.
Sophie. Kay Sophie, beef.
Now, if you want salad, you can go up there.
Yeah, get some salad
And they'll
cut.
put it on the plate for you. Just tell me you want some of that, some of that.
Hi, Baba, come on.
Good, take your size plate up.
Right.
Ayan yung kay Jam.
What's
Dito na
that?
yung kay Jam.
Huh? Come with me.
Go with Daddy. Kuha sila ng salad. Andito na yung... Here, thank you. Thank you. Nag-order si Janito o yung wedges. And ito yung atin. Fisherman catch. Patay ng salad. Dati, ikaw yung kumukuha ng salad mo. Ngayon, sila na yung nagsiserve. Ayun si Sak. Dati, dito yung salad bar nila. Eh, dahil nga sa COVID, sila na yung nagsiserve. Ituturo mo lang kung anong gusto mo. Ayan si Johnny Boy.
Hey, guys, this is noodles, thanks.
Hi! Noodles and then the egg. And a bit of salad, please. Ano, this one. So, kumuha ko ng yung cold noodles, tapos yung egg salad nila, then konting salad, tapos ito yung crab meat. Ayan. Thank you. Pardon? Yes, you have to bring your own plate, Baba. Thank you. Okay, your turn, Kuya. Ayan kay Kylie, oh. What's that? What do you call
Garlic
it?
prawn pizza.
Oh, garlic prawn pizza. Zach, that's your favorite one. And Holly.
You can have a piece.
Kuhaan ko si Holly ng salad. So, ito yung kay Holly. Ha? Thank you. Si Kuya, hindi na siya kids meal. Ano, it's not kids meal, I know. That's what I said. Ano na siya, guys? Yung regular na talaga sa kanya. Si Sak, ano pa? Kids meal pa rin siya, tsaka si Holly. Try mo dyan yung fish ni Holly. Good, Han?
Good?
I had fish last night. Was good as well. Right, Han? The fish last night.
Nice fish, that's nice.
Eto, ano to, hipon? Prawns, hipon. Prawns to, guys.
Sure.
Tapos meron tayong tartar sauce. One star.
What are they?
Oh my sister always
Big man, get some smile.
Hey, what is that? You want to name that? Good? Done, Sak? Good job, Sak. Tapos na si Sak. Ubus niya, oh. Look at Sak, yan.
I want to drink it.
Yeah. Oh, hold it. That's Sak. No, that's Zachary. That's yours. Tapos na si Holly and eto lang yung kanyang tira. You're full, Baba? You're full? Diba tapos na yan si Sak? Humingi siya ng konti kay TJ. And si Kuya yun, hindi pa siya tapos. And si Holly, nubad niya na yung kanyang cardigan. Want some pizza? You wanna try the pizza, Sak? Bigyan siya ng pizza ni Kylie. You're hungry, boy? I'm gonna say. Thank you. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Sak, si Holly, puntahan natin. Nandun sila sa playground. Stay here, okay? Stay here. Kuya, my bag is here, okay? Puntahan natin yung tatlo. Nandun sila sa playground. Ito yung playground dito, guys. Nandun si Holly, oh. Come on, Baba! Where's Sak? And si Saki and si Sophie. Where is your shoes? Okay, get it, get it. Alright, give it to me. Sak, where's your Sak? Alright. Alright. Uwian na. Andito na sila. Baba. Good girl. Finish. They clean up the table. Because you've been busy out there. Okay, alis na tayo, guys. Come on, Papa. Guys, hindi to planado, pero dito tayo sa Kaboom.
Dad, what are you doing?
What are you gonna do? Mini pat-pat or bowling?
No, it's shut.
It's shut? Oh. It's shut. It's still open 10 p.m. hon.
Well, that might be another way.
Yeah. Baka yung shop lang yung sarado.
I don't know what that
Saya ng mga bata. Wala na naman to sa ano. Wala to sa plano, guys. Akala ko uwi na kami. Pagsakay ko dito, saan tayo pupunta? Kasi nagsisigawan yung mga bata. Yung parang sobrang excited nila, sabi ni Jan. Mag-mini pat-pat or magbo-bowling. Is it open? Bowling? So what we're gonna do? Wait lang, guys. Update ko kayo kung anong gagawin namin. No mini pat-pat.
Only bowling and arcade.
Ah, bowling na lang daw. Wala raw. O, diba? Just bowling.
Arcade!
What did you just say, John?
Oh, welcome to Kaboom Family Entertainment.
Entertainment. Entertainment.
What I'm gonna do here.
Okay. Yung mini pat-pat, ano, sarado na. Ano na sila. Careful, Holly! Who was that? Walang hagdanan, guys. Paikot lang to. Paikot hanggang makaabot tayo sa taas. Ayan, dito na tayo. Parang ano, makupurnada tong bowling natin kasi puno sila. Lahat meron, occupied.
Let's just go.
Kawawa mga bata. Kawawang mga bata. Sila, uwian na. Book out sila, guys. Kasi di ba hindi naman to planado. So dito kami sa, where are we, Han?
Hey kids, don't pass up.
Arcade. This is arcade as well, right? Sort of. Ayan, oh. Maliit lang. Maliit lang siya, guys. Ayan lang, oh. Do you have money? Wow, baba. Sana lang kami.
Some humans aren't going to be big enough for the racing, so I reckon you might be. You will be.
You can't, baba.
You can do on VR.
Sorry, baba.
Experiences.
Dito si Kuya sa Golf Simulator. Si Zach and andito silang dalawa. Mamaya doon kasi si Kobe at saka si Sophie muna. Mag-race sila. Cute. Good luck, Sophie. Cute ng dalawa. Oh, hintay lang muna silang dalawa. Pero si Holly hindi siya makakapag-race.
Mom, can you eat it?
No, I don't, Baba. Just wait for them to finish. Ayan, see.
Can I tip up?
Can you see? Because I'm racing these though. Right.
Whoosh, my God. Just
So just keep it there.
127 meter. Dito na si Zach and si Kobe. How are you there, Zach?
Zach! You're looking at me!
Oh, you're looking at me. Zach, where are you going? You can't even... Zach! Zach, where are you looking? Hindi niya na makita.
I'm looking there!
He's racing Kobe.
He's going, he's turning around.
Zach, what are you doing, Zach? You're looking on the side. What? Why are you looking on the side?
I'll give you a restart, buddy.
Zach, you're looking here.
You're looking there and there.
Restart ni Kuya yung kay Zach. You alright now? Huh? Can you see now? Zachy boy, you alright now? Okay. Zach, where are you again? What do you mean it's right there? Zach, where are you, Zach?
Zach!
Ayun naman si Sak.
Going sideways. I'm going sideways.
Sideways?
Just keep your head right there for me. Right there. Stay right there. Yep.
Oh, stay there. Stay there. I'm kidding. Okay, you're right now. Si Jan yun. Si Jan na yung nasa ano. Go.
As long as he goes forwards, that'll catch it. Catches clubs and balls and all golf.
You're right, huh? Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
263.
Yeah.
That's the record.
Oh!
263.3.
Wow.
So whoever holds it at the end of the month wins 18 holes at Blue Lake.
Oh my God.
Wow, Johnny boy.
Fresh done.
Wow.
I'm doing sideways.
It's a record yung ano kay John.
You got it.
Oh,
284.8.
Dad, can I?
284.
Did he?
284.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wait, did he beat the record?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, si Jan na oh.
I never saw this.
Yeah, John. Whatever. Holly Green.
You want another double? That's the high.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, Johnny boy.
What's the date? You got a long time to the end of the month.
Yeah, that's pretty hard to beat. Buddy, hold on.
Yeah. Well, I was only racing for a second.
And dito na si Kuya. Si Kuya naman yung nagre-race car.
Can you see? Yeah.
That one was over again.
No, you're not nursing anyone.
Oh my God, lagi akong nagugulat pag tumitira si Jan. Kasi dito yung ano, yung race car. Dito naman yung golf.
Like this.
Yes. Si Sak mag-roller coaster daw siya.
I feel like you're gonna skip. Holly, you have to get out. Holly.
Tapos na si Jan
I
doon.
feel like you're gonna get very scared.
I crashed into bloody.
You're gonna.
It's
Your eyes?
Oh, I'm gonna go full plus some left there.
Sak, can you see us, Sak?
No.
No.
Hi. Hi.
It was actually.
Zach,
Yan si Sak.
What? What?
Hang on, boy.
Don't turn your head this time. He's tried this before going like this.
He looked over.
He's like,
This is for Queensland, Jack.
It's a good one to start. So slowly works your way up.
good.
Does this simulator have courses or have you play courses? Yeah.
Easy roller
Got
coaster.
35 standard courses on there, and then you can pay for more as well. But it's got the drove and plenty.
Yeah, no, si Sak. Kaya, ayan. Kaya natin si Sak.
Yeah, I want one.
Hope.
Oh, yeah.
Kobe, what?
Tingnan natin kung anong maging reaction ni Sak dito. Kasi may mga, ayan siya guys, oh.
Imagine
Good?
if a rock falls on his head and it's going like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're watching you. We are watching you. May mga nahuhulog na mga bato.
So if I was going to go so two guests, then I'll go stroke play. Then I can choose any.
When is it going to go far? Oh my god, that's a big drop.
Oh, it's like
Where
a...
are we going to go?
Then you choose your holes, so 418 or 29.
Kaya nakatakot na siya.
You've got a putt as well. You putt from back here.
You can do it. Oh no, now I'm down.
And as she does,
Try it.
Sak, don't touch her.
Oh my god, that's
Oh.
big deal. You're gonna be scared.
What happened now, Zach?
Oh my god, I did that.
Huh? Hi! Shit, John.
It's nice there, John.
Yeah, we'll see why. Bit of an open face, maybe?
I want to see box man.
Yeah. I'll do that tomorrow.
Oh my god, what?
Just say what you're
All
doing.
on myself.
Oh no!
Tapos na si Zach.
An easy one.
Just wait, Baba. Gusto niya.
Easy one.
I-try din ni Holly. Wait, Baba. Wait for the...
Wait, don't put it on.
Yeah, wait for the guy. She's next. Easy one.
One for us.
Good luck, Baba. Don't fall, okay?
Okay, can you move this? You pick it up, you hold it.
Hold it, Baba. Hold.
You hold this.
This one, hold this one, Baba.
Hold this, yep. That's it.
Keep hold of it.
Alright, now if you let go, does it sit okay?
Sit.
Is it okay?
Is it? Oh, it's.
Needs to go up a bit.
Oh, you might think
Is that okay?
Better?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck, Baba.
Right, look
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
What's the light say?
no, it's fine, but my eyes work.
And the person came out.
I blew up and
Hang on, Baba.
I might do this one at home.
Hang on, Baba.
Hold on, Baba. Hold on. Hold on, Baba. Oh my God.
Is that fun, Holly? Yeah?
Oh no.
I'm in Queensland.
Oh, I'm not.
You'll be the only one not going on, right?
Come on, you're not going on it.
Look out, Baba.
Look at Baba.
Oh, you're underwater.
Oh, wow.
I might do this one.
Lulu. You're so dangerous. What's there, Baba?
We found Holly.
Are you touching the glass, Baba? Oh. You're brave, Holly.
Holly? Yeah?
She's not scared, hon. Yeah, look.
Water.
Yay! Good job!
Wow.
Well done. Was it fun, Baba? Si Kuya at si Kobe magre-race sila ulit.
Raise each other.
Si Sophie, andun na si Sophie, siya naman. I'm not sure. Ask Daddy. Ayun si Sophie. Ano yung kanya? No, same as Holly.
There's no big mountains and go faster.
Tapos na si Kuya tsaka si Kobe, si Joe naman tsaka si Zach. Kinuha yung information ni Jan kasi 'di ba kanina andun siya, naglalaro siya ng golf. Siya yung may pinaka longest. Yeah. Congrats. Who won? Who won? Joey. Okay, let's go. Dito kami sa bahay nila, Sophie. Dito kami sa shed. Basketball.
Go on, Jackery.
Heater, guys. Ayan, may heater tayo dito sa shed. Natamaan ako ng bola sa mukha. Dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Lumuluha pa yung mata ko. Si Sak. Kasi nandun ako kanina. Sak, look what you did to me. Sak. See that? Huh? Why are you smiling? Hinag niya ako. Hey! Si John. Tingnan natin si John.
Foot violation. Foot fair.
Ah! Ang init nito, oh.
If John gets
Sarap.
one in, he wins.
Oh! Last one.
Send it to Liverpool.
Yeah. Last one. Whoa!
Kidding me. Come on, quick.
You both have to take his turns down.
Ah! Oh! Whoa!
How close?
Hey, Joe.
Oh, God, a bit high.
Oh! Basketball is not for you, Han. Oh, almost.
Gotta be.
Ah, almost.
Gotta be getting me. That's amazing, isn't it? Zach, go up closer, mate. You're too far away.
Yeah, you two right here.
No, too far.
That's not that far.
So you got to tie it there, you got to get it right, Zach. The right length. It's got to go up and in.
From where I'm on you. No, let them go first. No, you can get one.
Almost, Zach. Oh. Na-miss ko yung isa. Nakashoot yung kay John.
Kylie.
I did.
You can't have all that going on. I did. Go, Kylie. Yes. Get better, babe. You what?
I'm trying to never play netball and keep it better.
Oh, sugars. Watch your head, bub. Boy, watch your head. You don't knock your head on.
Give it to Dad.